So basically, what we're gonna have? Basically, we have the column-based questions, and we're gonna have the questions based on tabular, and the questions which are based on tree method, and the questions based on options. Then we have roots. Then we have the questions based on conditional. Following, we will do all these things, but in one day, it's not possible for you to complete, for me to complete. Following, everybody. So have patience, everybody. Here, let's sort of move across and just try to see this thing. Here, in this thing, he'll give you a couple of, passages. We have to solve those passages in the form of puzzles. Some are one mark questions, some are in like a 5 marks questions, some are 3 marks questions. So we are supposed to solve almost all. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? No, Rahul, it's not data interpretation. It's the puzzles, which we're going to have 6 models. So Amit, Akash, Amar, Ajay, and Arun. These 5 friends, okay? These 5 friends who are Amit, Akash, Amar, Ajay, and Arun, they have bought 5 different types of t-shirts: Nike, Adidas, Lotus, Crocodile, Dockers. Means we have to understand that 5 friends have to purchase 5 different brands. These are the 5 different brands. Students, not just 5 different brands, they are supposed to purchase different t-shirts colors also: green, red, blue, black, yellow. Following, everybody? So these are the kind of questions we're going to have. Everybody try to listen this question. So I give a couple of statements. The statements are Amit Pert, Lotus, which blue color, neither Amar nor some kind of data they're going to give you. We have to read this data very carefully and we have to solve this question. Following, everybody? So let's try to solve this question. Everybody on the screen now. 5 friends, 5 brands. So let's try to go for the next one. Clear? Here. Let's try to take on the screen now. 5 friends are there. I'm drawing one table. One table which is represents like this: red, blue, black, yellow, and green. Following 5 colors. And let's do represent one more table. That table represents what? Brands. So this is one of the style of doing the question, students. This is one of the style of doing the question. Let's try to go with the question here. What did it say in the question? Point number 1. Mr. Amit bought Lotus brand blue color. Mr. Amit bought Lotus brand blue color. When we just try to go into this thing, Amit, where is Amit and where is Lotus, where is blue color? We are supposed to. Amit blue color. We have to check this one. No, this is not the one which we have taken, Aditi. Following, everybody? Now, listen. So Amit bought Lotus brand. Which brand, students? Lotus brand. I'm supposed to keep a check mark here. Following, everybody? So I'm keeping a check mark here. Lotus, which color? Blue color. So students, what's the rule of this table? What is the rule of this table? Whenever you have one check mark, cross the entire row and cross the entire column. I'll tell you the reason why we are supposed to do like this. Who bought Lotus? Amit bought Lotus. Sorry. Who bought blue color? Amit bought Lotus. When Amit purchased blue color, Amit did not purchase red. Amit did not purchase red. Amit did not purchase black. Amit not yellow. Amit not green. We all know that. Amit have gone for blue color. When Amit purchased blue color, so do you think Akash also blue? Amar also blue? No. These all people are not blue. This is the style of doing the question, everybody. Is that fine? Let's go for it. Now, whenever Amit purchased Lotus, do you think Amit purchased Nike, Adidas, Dockers? All these things he did not purchase. And nobody else have purchased Lotus. So this is the style of doing. The important method in table is what? Whenever you have a cross mark, cross the entire row and cross the entire column. Are you understanding, everybody? Chari. Now, students, let's try to go across next one. Neither Mr. Amit nor Mr. Adidas purchased Nike. Neither Mr. Amit nor Mr. Adidas purchased Nike. Let's try to see here. Something. Believe that I know this question. For 2 seconds, you think I got this question. Everybody. I'm solving this question. Cross the entire row, cross the entire column. Cross the entire row, cross the entire column. You think that I already know these points. Okay. Cross the entire row, cross the entire column. Cross the entire row, cross the entire column. So let's sort of have check here. So cross the entire row, cross the entire column. Believe this is the answer. Cross the entire row and cross the entire column. Are you understanding what I'm doing, students? For example, I got this, I got this. Over. My question is solved. For 2 seconds, you believe I have solved this question. For 2 seconds, you believe I have solved this question. My question is, who purchased crocodile? Come on, students, see the table. See the table and tell me who purchased crocodile. Who purchased crocodile? This is what my question is. Can anybody tell the answer? Who purchased crocodile? This is the way we are supposed to. Ajay purchased crocodile. Ajay purchased crocodile. Are you understanding? Who purchased crocodile? Ajay purchased crocodile. Following it, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're doing good. You're doing good. Students, my question is, if suppose who purchased green color? This green color. Who purchased green color? We can say Arun purchased green color. That is also good. Everything is fine. But student, my question is little bit extended. 5 people, 5 colors, 5 brands. Question is slightly extended. The question is they have purchased from 5 different websites. For example, you believe they have purchased from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra और क्या तंत्रा बोलो और क्या है आफ्टर Myntra? Tell me one. Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra. कोई है? Come on. These things you are supposed to draw one more table. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? For doing these things, you are supposed to draw one more table and this thing. Suppose they have got 5 different prices also. Rupees 2,500 rupees price, 3,000 rupees price, and 2,000 rupees price, and 1,500 rupees one shirt, and last shirt is 999. So don't you think you have to draw one more table? Yes. So when many parameters are there, one parameter, colors, one more parameter, brands, one more parameter, websites, one more parameter, prices. Whenever you have many parameter, you should never use this tabular method. You should never use this tabular method, students. It's a time consuming. What is this? Time consuming. Following, everybody? So always remember that. Whenever you have many parameters, don't use this tabular. Are you understanding? Tabular must be used when only one parameter is given. Are you understanding, students? Tabular must be used when only one parameter is given to you. For example, one parameter. I'm going to show you this one parameter. Everybody, let's try to see here. Only one parameter. Perfect. Seriously, it's perfect when you use one parameter. But when you have many parameters, don't use this. It's a waste of time. Yes, you should remember all this stuff. Are you understanding, everybody? So, how to solve this question? Are you understanding, students? How to solve this question? This question can be solved using the best one. This question can be solved using the best one. Are you understanding, everybody? The column method. When many parameters are there, column saves a lot of time of yours. Seriously, column saves a lot of time of yours. I'm drawing, okay, and one more column I'm writing. One column name I'm writing is what? Brands. One more column name I'm writing is what? Colors. So try to understand that. This is the way we are supposed to. Column saves a lot of time. But students, be careful how to do it. I'll tell you. Be careful. I know that you can do it. Okay, just try to listen to this question, everybody. First point. Amit purchased Lotus brand blue color. Amit purchased Lotus brand blue. Amit purchased Lotus. Amit purchased Lotus brand. Amit purchased Lotus brand. Amit purchased Lotus brand blue color. Amit purchased Lotus brand blue color. Understood how many times I'm shouting? I'm shouting all these things to make you understand that I'm supposed to write down in column this thing, Lotus. And which color? Blue color. Are you understanding, everybody? Which color? Blue color. Is that fine, everybody? So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Following, everybody? Remember, I'm telling you the trick how to do it. I don't want the answer. Some people are in a position to answer. But we don't want. Everybody have a look here. Next one. Neither Mr. Amar nor Mr. Arun purchased Adidas brand. So neither Mr. Amar nor Mr. Arun purchased Adidas brand. Following, everybody? Can we use this thing? Many people think, sir, how can we use this? But we have to use something like this. Listen, everybody. Neither Mr. Amar nor Mr. Arun. What did it say, students, here? Neither Mr. Amar nor Mr. Arun, these two will never purchase Adidas. So Adidas cannot be here. Adidas cannot be here. This is a very good way of doing the puzzles. It's a very good style. It's very good style. Always use this cross symbols. Always use this cross symbols. They will give you the answers at the end. Many people think that, sir, how can we use this thing? Neither Mr. Amit. Yes, use that cross symbols which will play a very vital role. Let's sort of go for the third one now. Akash bought Docker's green color. Akash bought Docker's green color. We can just try to do it, everybody. Akash brought Docker's. Which color, students? Green color. Are you understanding, everybody? I'm not telling this thing. You can see this table and you can say something. Please tell me something. Come on, student. Ajay, Adidas. How Ajay is Adidas? Because Adidas cannot be with Amar. Already we know using the cross symbol. Adidas is not with Arun, already know. And these two cannot take the position of Adidas because they have already occupied by Dockers and this thing. Following, everybody? So, who told you that Ajay is Adidas? Who told you Ajay is Adidas? This cross symbols told you Ajay is Adidas. Who told this thing? Cross symbol says Ajay is Adidas. Is that fine, everybody? So, that is the use of cross symbols. Never forget these cross symbols. That is the use of cross symbols. Never forget these cross symbols. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, next one. Mr. Amar did not buy Nike, which is in red color. Amar did not buy Nike, which is in red color. Let's sort of go across here. Amar did not buy Nike. Students, cross symbol I have written 1 second. When Amar did not buy Nike, so you can understand that Arun should go with Nike. Is in, like a yellow color. Adidas brand is in yellow color. Students, we all know that Adidas is in yellow color. So all of these, all 5 brands, one brand which is missing. Do you know which brand is missing? So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Cross symbols play a vital role. This thing will save your time also. That's good. Students, if they told you 5 different websites, draw one column, just try to see your websites. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye. Let's sort of move forward, everybody. Let's sort of move forward. Okay. And let's sort of go and just check it out here. What is the question is asking you, students? Listen, everybody. Who bought black colored t-shirt? Students, who bought black colored t-shirt? Any idea who bought black colored t-shirt? Yes, the black colored t-shirt is bought by whom? Amar. So answer is very simple, student. Answer is very simple. That is what Amar. Next word, the branded t-shirt Amar bought. The branded t-shirt Amar bought. The branded t-shirt Amar bought. What is that? Crocodile. The answer is very simple. Answer is very simple. What is that? Crocodile. Next one. Okay. Next one. What is that? Who bought yellow colored t-shirt? Students, who bought yellow colored students? Ajay. Next one. Who bought Nike brand? Who bought Nike brand? Who bought Nike brand? Arun. So this is the way we are supposed to do these questions. Column will save a lot of time. Tabular will consume a lot of time. Okay, everybody. So it's up to you how you can do it. So let's sort of move forward. Okay, this is a basic puzzle which I have taught you by using a column method. Use the cross symbols which will save a lot of time of yours. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, let's sort of move forward and just try to ask you to do one question right now. Listen, everybody. 5 friends are there. Students, how many friends are there? 5 friends are there. These 5 friends' name are Sushant, Bharti, Aruna, Chaitali and something. Following, everybody? What did he say here? They are working for 5 different banks. How many banks, students? 5 banks, which you can see on the screen. How many banks? 5 banks. They are working in 5 different cities also. It is also glowing over there. How many cities? 5 cities. So this much of data is given to you. Are you understanding, everybody? So what will you use? 2 parameters. Is it only one? No, 2 parameters. I want you to solve this question right now. Students, make it faster, everyone. I want you to solve this question right now. Make it faster, everyone. I want you to answer, everybody. Only 3 questions. Good. As these are puzzles, they are not short questions of races. These are not the short questions which will occupy less space. Puzzles have to be big, so I need to display the whole screen for you. Following the board, the complete board will be occupied with the puzzle, definitely. Yes, if many people have done, that's good. I just want you to answer, everyone. I just want you to answer, everybody. Only 3 questions. Question number 6, 7, 8. Only 3 questions for you. Very good. BA. Moin Fatima is saying BA. Doubt or no doubt? Please doubt or no doubt. Are there who are supposed to answer? Yes, no doubt. Many people are saying no doubt. Let's try to move forward now. So, eighth one is a doubt. Moin Fatima says the eighth one is a doubt. Okay, so let's try to solve this question for her, the whole question. Following everybody, clear? What did he say in this question here? Let's try to see here. In this question, Sushant, Bharti, Harita, Aruna, Chetali. So let me just try to solve this question. If you want eighth question, we are supposed to solve the whole question, everybody. Let me just try to go across this one. Now, 5 people. First column I'm writing banks. Second column I'm writing what cities. Following everybody. Chaliye. Companies, that is Exim Bank, but she was placed. She was, not she, it's he. Okay, he was placed in Ahmedabad. Okay, with Exim Bank Ahmedabad. Exim Bank Ahmedabad. Exim Bank. Chaliye. It's over. It's over. Next one. Harita, not HSBC, but she was placed in Bangalore. We can simply say, Harita, you are not HSBC, but we came to know you are placed in Bangalore. You are working in Bangalore. Are you understanding, everybody? Let's try to go for next one. Aruna joined DCB Bank. You can check it out here. Aruna joined DCB Bank, but she was neither placed in Chennai nor Noida. Neither placed in Chennai nor Noida. Who? Aruna. Who? Aruna. Aruna, you are working in which bank? You are working in which bank? You joined DCB Bank, but no Chennai, no Noida. Okay. You joined DCB. Aruna joined DCB, but no Chennai, no Noida. Students always try to use this symbol cross Chennai, cross Noida, which saves a lot of time of yours. Okay. Now, last one. Bharti works in Citibank, but she was not in Chennai. Citibank, but not in Chennai. Bharti, Citibank, not in Chennai. Bharti, you are working in Citibank, but not in Chennai. Are you understanding, everybody? Students, who will give the answer? Cross symbols. Let's check it out here. Cross symbols. No Chennai here. No Chennai here. So definitely this place have to be with Chennai. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Chennai cannot be here. Chennai cannot be here. So here should be Chennai. Following, everybody? Noida cannot be here. So Noida should be here. And one place is left. That is what? Can you tell me, students? One place is left. What is the place which is left? Are you sure Delhi is left? Yes. Delhi. Amra. HSBC cannot be here. HSBC must be here. One bank is missing. Very simple thing. That is American Express. What's the bank name? American Express. The students here, what we are supposed to answer the questions. What are the questions we are supposed to answer? Here. Listen to this question, everybody. Which bank Chetali work? Which bank Chetali work? Chetali work in which bank, sir? Chetali work in which bank? Chetali work in HSBC. We all got the answer. That's good. Chetali work in HSBC. We got the answer. Are you understanding, everybody? Next question. What is the next question, students? Here. Sorry for that. Yeah. Who work in American Express? Who work in American Express? American Express. Who work in American Express? Harita. That also we have done. That also we have done. Following, everybody. The last question we are supposed to see here. Which of the following can be deduced from the data? Listen. American Express has a branch in Chennai. American Express is a branch in Chennai. American Express is a branch in Chennai. Sir, from this data we can say American Express is a branch in Bangalore, I can say. But American Express is a branch in Chennai. Maybe. May not be. What is that, students? Maybe, may not be. Are you understanding, everybody? Let's sort of go with the second option. Let's sort of go with the second option. What did you say in the second option here? HSBC does not have a branch in Bangalore. HSBC does not have a branch in Bangalore. Sir, HSBC has a branch in Chennai. That I can say. but it is not having a branch in Bangalore, that also I can't say. This data is sufficient to tell me that HSBC a branch in Chennai, but this is not sufficient to tell me that it does not have a branch in Bangalore. Maybe HSBC is a worldwide bank and it has many branches, even I can't say that one. This data is sufficient to say only Chennai it is there. Following everybody? So let's try to move forward everybody. Here third one is best one. Citibank has a branch in Noida. We can clearly say why. Sir, Citibank has a branch in Noida. Perfect. Are you understanding, Fatima? Is that fine everybody? Chaliye. Let's try to move forward everybody. Clear? Now this question was given by one of the students. What is being given over here? Okay, so I have given the same question for you. Are you understanding everybody? I have given the same question for you. Listen that. 5 friends are there. What are the names of the friends? Charan, Kiran, Svan, Shiva and Lokesh. 5 friends are there. How many friends are there? 5 friends are there. Students, they are studying in 5 different branches of engineering. How many branches? 5 different branches. Are you understanding everybody? And not only that, they are playing 5 different sports. Hockey, chess, badminton, something like that. Chess is not a sport, okay? But cricket, hockey, all these are sports, okay? Games means which are held inside, okay? Now, 5 people, students, 5 people, 5 sports and 5 branches. Who is from which branch? We have no idea. Only 2 questions are given to you, students. Only 2 questions. Question number 9 and question number 10. So your time starts now. I'll just going to give you some time. Okay. Just in 4 minutes. In this 4 minutes, try to solve this question. Once you have done with this question, we will move forward and just try to check it out here. Everybody. Come on, 2 students. Agra, Bangalore, Bangalore, Agra, Chennai, Delhi, Delhi, England, Chennai. क्या है बताओ? I don't think so you have a doubt in this question. I know that there is no doubt. Many people are saying CB. It's quite simple. It's not my question, students. It's not my question. This question was already given by some of the students, okay, who have written one of the entrance examination. Are you understanding everybody? That's good. Now let's try to move forward and just try to go for the next kind of question everybody here. Again, I'm not giving you one parameter. Students, I'm giving you 2 parameters. No. I'm giving you 3 parameters. Listen to this question. Amit, Arun, Ajay and Ahmed. 4 friends are there. These 4 friends are working in 4 different companies and they are having 4 different posts. Manager, team leader and quality analyst and CEO. And next one is what? They belong to Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore and Chennai. Means one parameter is what? Companies they are working with. One more parameter is the post what they have. Job qualification. Last one is cities. 4 friends are these things. Clear everybody? So for this 3 parameter question, I have given you 5 minutes of time. Your time starts now. Please try to do it faster. Everyone. I believe if you have done good. As you have finished this question within time and you had no doubts in this thing, that's good. Clear? Sujita also says the same answer. Amit Patel, Fatima also said the same answer. That's good. Now, how we are doing these questions? We are doing all these questions in an order. You're using the cross symbols. Wherever it's not possible, we are writing the cross symbols. When you use the best strategy, that's the best way of doing. समझ में आ रहा है everybody? चलिए चलते हैं. That's good. चलिए चलते हैं. Let's try to go for the next question, students. I don't think so you have a doubt in this one. Clear? I don't think so you have a doubt in this question. Are you understanding everybody? चलिए. Now, here comes little complexity. Yes. Starting questions, whatever we have done, are quite easier. Here comes the complexity. Listen this, everybody. 4 students are there. P, Q, R, S. These 4 students are there. They are having 4 professors. Who are the professors? A, B, C, D. 4 students, 4 professors. They have got some MBA projects. What are the projects? Marketing, finance, systems, human resource, HRM. That's, and they have been given on 4 days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days, 4 students, 4 projects, 4 professors. Students, how this is little complicated because you have to manage the days also: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is what the data is given to you. The first data I told you that presentation was made by R on Monday. Who made this thing? R on Monday. Professor B works on finance. D is P's supervisor. Who is this P? Students. P is the student supervisor. The presentation was in system area was done on Thursday. Means students, you have to maintain day data also. Days. On which days what has happened? Following, everybody? Something little crucial. The last one. S project was in HRM. The last one. Professor C's HRM presentation was followed by Professor B student. Are you understanding, everybody? A lot of things are involved over here. A lot of things are involved, everybody. Is that fine, everybody? So how to do this all? Following, everybody? How to do all these things? Clear? Now, let's see here. Basically, we will write down P, Q, R, S, student and first column. No, it's not like that. Whenever days come, students, keep this thing in your brain. The first thing you are supposed to keep in order: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is the thing you are supposed to maintain. The first column you write down the students. The one more column you write down the what we call about professors, and one more column you maintain what? Projects. So these are the ways: students, professors and project. Are you understanding what I mean to say? Yes. This is the one which you should keep first, always. Why? Because he told you some projects are after some time. Following, everybody? So this is my hint for you people. Make it fast. Make it fast. ACAA. Subhashmita is saying A, B, A, A. Acha. Vilas is also supporting Subhashmita's answer. Very good, Reshma. Very good. If you have got the perfect answer, then that's good. Your order is matter. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days. The order of the projects you should maintain. Yes, seriously. The order of the projects you are supposed to maintain. ACAA. Finance, you are not getting, Tarika. Mahant is also saying ACAA. चलिए जल्दी कीजिए, जल्दी कीजिए. At least answer that one, sir. Make it faster. Doubt. Doubt. Only one student. Pragati also says doubt. Rishikesh says no doubt. ACDA. ACDA. One student is getting ACDA. One student getting ACDA. Chaliye. Now, let's move forward, everybody, on the screen now. Look at the question, everybody. 4 students, 4 projects, 4 professors, 4 days. First one is what? order, which is very important. The first thing you are supposed to maintain is order. The next one, students, professors and projects. Following everybody? Chaliye, let's see the first point here. The presentation that was made by R was Monday. Very straight and very interesting point. R made a presentation on Monday. Who is this R? R is a student. R is a student. R is a student. That's it. I have started my journey. Students, I have started my journey. Are you understanding, everybody? Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. B works in finance. Who is this B? B is a professor. ABCD are professors. Remember that. ABCD are professors. B works in finance. Is that important right now? No, it's not important right now. B works in finance. Is it important? No. Because we don't know who is finance. We don't know where is finance. So we cannot say B. So let me keep that point aside. When time comes, we'll start this thing. Are you understanding, everybody? Now, Professor D was P's supervisor. If P is a student, his supervisor is D. If P is a student, his supervisor is D. If P is a student, his supervisor is D. But where is that PD comes? We have no idea. Where is that PD comes? We have no idea. Leave this. When time will come, we will solve it. Leave it. This is one point which you have to remember. This is one more point which you have to remember. When time comes, we will just try to keep this thing. Now, the presentation was in system area, was on Thursday. Very good point. Thursday, system area, we can write down very straight away. Thursday, system area. Thursday, system area. Are you understanding, everybody? Whatever the possible things are there, I am filling in the columns. Whatever are not there, I am writing outside. When time comes, I'll use all these remaining points. Okay, everybody? That's good. Now, what is said that S project was in HRM. S project was in HRM. Who is HRM? Who is HRM? I don't know. Here should be S. Here should be HRM. Are you understanding, everybody? I don't know where is that. So I'm writing this is also separately. S is HRM. Following, everybody, this also I'll get the time. When I'll get a time, I'll use all these things. When I'll get a time, I'll use all these things. Okay. Now, students, let's move forward on the last point. What's the last point? Professor sees HRM. Professor sees HRM is followed by means the one which comes next. Followed by B, Professor B. C is followed by B. Professor C is followed by Professor B, you should remember. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Professor C's, listen, Professor C's HRM is followed by B. This is very important. These are very important. C is followed by B. So let's try to see here. Let's try to see here how to do this question. C, ABCD are professors. So let's try to keep C is followed by B. C is followed by B. Either this one is possible. C is followed by B. Either this one is possible. Or C is followed by B. Either this one is possible. Are you understanding, everybody? So this order is very important. Followed by means the one which comes next. Professor C's HRM. Professor C is HRM. Let me just try to take you to the question, everybody. Professor C is what project? HRM. Is followed by P. Chaliye, let's try to have this point. This point is there, this point is there, this point is there, this point is there. All these points we are supposed to put together and just try to go and just try to solve this thing. Are you understanding, everybody? So where is that? Where is that CB? We are supposed to use it. Can you have CB here? No, it's not possible to have CB here because Professor C's project is what? HRM. And HRM is done by whom? S. Do you have S here? No. As S is not here, HRM cannot be here. When HRM is not here, so C cannot be here. Why C cannot be here? Tell me why C cannot be here. C is HRM. So HRM is not at this point. Why HRM is not here? Because S is not here. S is a student. S is not here, so HRM is not here. When HRM is not here, so definitely C is not here. When C is not here, B is not here. So students, we have got another case. Either CB here or CB here. Again, I am telling you CB cannot be here. Why CB cannot be here? Are you sure CB cannot be here? Following everybody? Is it fine? Yeah. Yeah. Students, why CB cannot be here? Let me tell you why CB cannot be here. Because B works in finance. B is a professor who is taking care of finance project. If B is here, here should be finance. I hope you all know that. If finance is not here, so B cannot be here. Following everybody? Who told? This point has told. So finance is not here, so B cannot be here. When B is not here, so CB cannot be here. So I'm sorry students, this CB can also be not followed here. Following everybody? So this is the best way for CB. Understood everybody? Why CB not possible here? Because HRM is not here. Why CB is not possible here? Because here, what is not possible? What is not possible? Finance is not here, B is not here. So C and B is only possible here. So if this is a professor C, this is a professor B. Are you understanding everybody? Clear? Chaliye, good. Now B works in finance. I have used this point. Following everybody? S works in HRM. C works in HRM. C works in HRM, we have used. Following everybody? Yes or no? Now, what is left, students? Have a look here. Okay, what is left here? One of the project is left which we don't know. Let's just check it out here. What is one of the project left over is what? Marketing. So that project I'm supposed to keep here. What shall I write on here? Marketing. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? This is marketing. Are you sure everybody? That's good. So this is done. P, D. Okay. Now, can you have D here? No, because there is no P here. P, D is the one. P is a student, D is a professor. D cannot be here because P is not here. So this is P. This is D. I hope everybody is understanding this. Is that clear to you? Chaliye. Now, so this also solved, this also solved, this also solved, and this also solved. Following everybody? Any points we have missed, students? One is missing, that is A. A is here. That's good. Students, what it told in this first point here, S works in HRM. HRM means what? S. That's good. So one is left, Q, I guess. So this is the way we are supposed to solve this question. R is in marketing. Are you understanding everybody? That's good. So which area? D expertise in. D expertise in. D expertise in systems. D expertise in systems. Oh, sorry. D expertise in what? Systems. System area. That's what we can call. Last point, you people have a doubt. What's the last point? Clear? Now, look at the last point, everybody. Which area? The second presentation. Second presentation is presentation. Second presentation, student. Second presentation is what? HRM, which we have missed it. Following everybody. Second presentation is what? HRM. In which area? Second presentation. Second presentation is HRM. Following? Clear? Which student's project is B's supervisor? B is a supervisor of which student? B is a supervisor of which student? B is a supervisor of which students? That is Q. Following everybody? B is a supervisor of which students? Q. That is true. This you have run. The last, only 18th one is a doubt some of the people had. Kiran, 18th one is HRM, which is the second presentation is HRM. That's good. So with the help of this, you have completed this question, everybody. Yes or no? With the help of this, we have completed this question. Following. So what do I do that? I'm going to give you one more little bit bigger question, one more little bit tougher question than this. Here you have only 4 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Following everybody? I'm going to give you 5 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Listen, everybody. Listen to this question. So you are not supposed to do this question here. As in the classroom, we can't do all these questions live here. So some questions I wanted to give you as a homework. This question, I just want you to give it as a homework. 4 men, their 4 sons. 5 men. 5 men, 5 sons, 5 days and 5 monuments. Following everybody? I'll give you this question in Telegram group. Okay, the people who are not in Telegram group, please join our Telegram group. Some people are new. Telegram group is Brainwiz, CRT and Gate. Okay, there I will post this question. Please try to solve this question, everybody. So the 5 questions which have been asked, I'll be giving these all 5 questions to you. Is it fine, everybody? Say yes or no. Please try to tell me, students, say yes or no. Are you learning this? We have learned one model. The model name is column model. How to solve this column? When many parameters are there, you are supposed to use column method. When many parameters are there, when you're supposed to. So when to use tabular? Tabular when to use when only one column is there. When only one column is there, we are supposed to use this thing. Okay, everybody? Chaliye. Let's try to move across and just try to see everybody on the screen now here. A question has been given to you. If you just try to look at this question here, he told you the surnames of 4 professionals are Iyer, Gandhi. Okay, just try to listen to this question. Sharma, Kapoor, Iyer and Gandhi. These 4 people have their 4 professions. The professions are accountant, lawyer, dentist and doctor. Following everybody? 4 people have 4 professions. Are you understanding, everybody? 4 people have 4 professions. They are accountant, lawyer, dentist and doctor, not necessarily in the same order. We have no idea. So what is said that the accountant and the lawyer are working in their offices. So students, you are supposed to understand that if you are an accountant and if you are a lawyer, you are going to work in your offices, students. Means they should not work somewhere else. They have their own offices. But students, he told you that one more point, that if you are a dentist or you are a doctor, you are working in your nursing home. This is a hint of the question. This is a hint of the question. Suppose I am telling you Sharma is a doctor. I am telling you Sharma is a doctor, then definitely he is going to the nursing home. If I am telling you Iyer is going to his office, then he is one among these two. Either is a doctor, nursing home. What did it say? Office. So either is an accountant or is a lawyer. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is the way he has been given to you. So here, I just want you to solve this question, students. I'm going to give you 2 minutes of time. Good. What are the occupations of these 4 people? So here, this much of data is given to you. What are the occupations? We have no idea. But one thing is very common, student. One thing is very common here. He is asking you, is Sharma doctor, or Kapoor dentist, Iyer accountant or Gandhi lawyer? Or is Sharma lawyer, Kapoor dentist, Iyer accountant or Gandhi lawyer? Is this correct? Or Sharma doctor, Kapoor accountant, Iyer Gandhi or Gandhi lawyer? I mean to say, which of the following is correct? My question is, which of the following is correct? Are you understanding, everybody? So we are supposed to find out which of the following is correct. So we are not supposed to solve the whole question. When everything is there in the options, when all the validations are in the options, so we should use one of the method called option method. Yes, puzzles must be done from options also. Try to remember that. Puzzles must be done from options also. So these kind of things will also be given to you. For example, let's try to see here how we can just try to do from options. Listen, the first hint it gave you. The first hint he gave you, the accountant looks after Iyer's and Kapoor's account. Understood what the hint? The accountant looks after Iyer's or Kapoor's account. So accountant is one person who will come. Accountant is one person who will come and look after Iyer's and Kapoor's account. He is the person who gonna take care of these two people account. Means this one person is accountant. He is taking care of Iyer and Kapoor's account. Means that person, clear, that person is not Iyer. Accountant is not Iyer. Why accountant is not Iyer? Accountant is taking care of whose and whose account? Iyer's account and Kapoor's account. So accountant is not Iyer, accountant is not Kapoor. Accountant is not Iyer, accountant is not Kapoor. I understanding everybody. Let's try to move forward and come from options. So have a look here. Sharma doctor may be possible. Kapoor dentist may be possible. But Iyer accountant, it's not possible, students. Because accountant take care of Iyer's account. So first option is simply wrong. Are you understanding everybody how we are doing this thing? Next option. Sharma lawyer may be possible. Kapoor dentist may be possible. Iyer accountant is not possible once again. So this is also not possible. Are you understanding everybody? Third option. Sharma doctor may be possible. Kapoor accountant may be. Iyer dentist may be possible. Are you understanding everybody? Are you sure? Is it fine? Come on. This is also not fine. Why this is not fine? Kapoor is given accountant. He told you Kapoor and Iyer. Are you understanding everybody? So this is also not the possible answer. Is that fine, everybody? We have simply ruled out. We have simply ruled out three options. Next one. Next one is possible. Yes. Look at that. Who is the accountant? Gandhi is the accountant. Gandhi is the accountant. Maybe the last two are okay with us. Following everybody? So let's try to move forward now. Students, let's try to move forward and just try to go and check it out. A few more conditions. Kapoor does not know. Let's try to remove this thing, okay? Now, Kapoor does not know Sharma. Kapoor does not know Sharma, although his nursing home is in the same street of Sharma's office. Although his nursing home is in the same street of Sharma's office. Sharma's office. Sharma's office. I'm telling you once again, Sharma's office. When I'm telling you Sharma's office, Sharma should be either accountant or Sharma should be either lawyer. Because he told Sharma's office, he told. So in the Sharma is a lawyer, it's okay. But look at the last one. Sharma is a dentist. Is it possible for you, students? It's not possible. Why it's not possible? Because Sharma is going to the office. It has been told in the question. Sharma can be either Sharma can be either lawyer or accountant. He cannot be a dentist. So option D is the perfect answer. Are you understanding, everybody? So these kind of questions will be given to you from option side. Yes, seriously, you need not draw any column, okay, writing, like Sharma, Kapoor, Iyer, Gandhi, and one column professions, one column in offices, nursing homes. No, nothing like that. So there are some puzzles when you are looking everything in the options. You can check out when you have everything in the options, definitely these kind of things must be from options. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward now. Okay. Now, question number 20 you have done successfully. Okay, I want you to do the question number 21 and 22. Look at these, students. When everything is there in the options, you need not worry. You are supposed to solve these questions from options. Are you ready for doing this thing? Is that fine? Chaliye. Let me just try to give you 3 minutes of time for you for these two questions. I know that you can do within 3 minutes. Very simple question. 5 people are there. 6 people are there, but projects are only 5. 6 people, but projects are only 5. Clear? But the condition for the first one, okay, each project is given to at most one, maximum one project, one fellow. If any project is given to H3, H2 will not take. The condition is very simple, students. H2 and H3 cannot stay together in the company. If any project is given to H2, project head 2, H3 will not take. Following everybody, if anything is giving to H3, this is the condition. H2 and H3 cannot be staying together. So first option is wrong. Are you sure first option is wrong? I don't know if the first option is wrong or wrong. One more condition. H5 is given either project 1 or project 2. Means you should remember this one also. H5 must be given either the project 1 or project 2. You cannot give any other project to H5. So remember these two conditions. Following everybody, clear? So based on these two conditions, we can solve this question. Following everybody, people are saying BD. It's not BD, Grishma. Okay, so let's try to ask you everybody here. So if any project is given to H3, H2 won't take it. Means these two people cannot be together is the first point which you should remember. Next one is said you H5 gives you either P1 project or P2. Maybe he's a Java developer. Project 1 is Java, project 2 is Java. So he can't do any other project. So P1 or P2 should be given to H5. So this is the one which you should remember. Okay, everybody, the first option is wrong. Why the first option is wrong? Because H5 is given P4, which is not at all acceptable, because H5 must either be given P1 or P2. That's what we know that. So here it is satisfying all the things as you people tell, but Chennai is wrong. Why the third option is wrong? Once again, you can see Chennai, H2 and H3 are staying together, which is not at all acceptable for we people, because we already have that condition. Next one. H5 is given P5. Do you think this is acceptable? No. So with the help of this, we have understood that from the options if I come, this is the best option. From the options if we come, this is the best option. Are you understanding everybody? Say yes or no. Chaliye students, let's try to move forward now. Here, next one. Which of the following is not a valid? Not a valid. All are valid. All have no issues. All are valid conditions except one. So let's sort of go and check out these kind of conditions are there or not and where it is not valid. Clear? First one, H3 is there, H2 is not there. It's valid. It's valid. It's valid. H5 is given P1. That is also valid. Good. Okay. Once again, let's do come from options here. H3 is given. H2 is not there. That is also good. H5 is given P1. That is also okay, student. That's also okay. Now, third one. H2 and H3 are staying together. I told you this is wrong. So this is not a valid option. Following everybody. Last one also satisfies. H5 is given P2. This is also okay. H3 is there. H2 is not there. So answer is Chennai. So some people say answer is Bangalore and Delhi. B, C common is H1 and H3. B, C. I didn't get you person code. B, C. H2 and H3 cannot stay together. That's the reason. Answer E. Common part is H1 and H3. Yes. Following everybody. With the help of this, we have completed this point. These are said to be option-based questions. Students, what these questions are? Option-based questions. Seriously, okay? Now, clear? So this kind of question was given in a government paper. This kind of question was given in a government paper. Look at that. Looking at this question itself, we can say this is the option-based question. Looking at this itself, you can say the option-based questions. Clear what is said that from ground floor to top floor, what is the order? From ground floor to top. To do this question within 2 minutes. Come on. Let me know what is the answer. People are saying Agra. Okay, so do you have a doubt in this question or you have no? Just try to listen. Okay, listen. The professor has to go up to meet IAS officer friend. Means wherever professor is living, he has to go up and meet IAS officer. Who is this IAS officer? His friend. So listen that. So he told you the order is ground floor to top floor. So this is ground floor, this is top floor. Listen everybody. So do you think here professor is going up and meeting IAS officer? Yes. Do you think professor is going up and meeting IAS officer here? Yes. Do you think professor is going and meeting IAS officer? No, he is going down and meeting IAS officer. It's wrong. So third option is not valid. Professor is going up to meet IAS officer. He did not tell you immediately above. He told you you have to go up and meet. Immediately above, he didn't mention. Following everybody? That's good. So from this condition, we have ruled out one option. Following everybody? That's good. Next one. Doctor is equally friendly to all. Doctor is equally friendly to all. So he has to go as frequently up as frequently down. Okay. So means he is in the middle. So do you think this option is valid? Yes. Doctor in the middle going as frequently up as frequently down. Doctor in the middle? No. So this is wrong. Doctor is in the middle. He is going as frequently down and as frequently up. So with the help of this, I have ruled out one more option. Are you understanding everybody? Students, we have got two options ruled out. So answer can be either Agra or answer can be either Chennai. Following everybody? Clear? Is that fine? That's good. But Reshma says answer is an Agra, but many people said the answer is Delhi. Let's try to see where Reshma went wrong, where everybody went wrong. Okay. Now, what is said that the next point? Listen, the next point. The engineer has to go up to meet MLA. Listen, everybody. Engineer have to go up to meet MLA. Engineer is going up to meet MLA? Yes, sir. Engineer is going up to meet MLA? Yes, both are satisfying. But you did not read the whole point. Engineer has to go up to meet MLA. Above whose flat? Above whose flat? MLA's flat. Above MLA's flat is professor's friend. Above MLA's flat is whose? Above MLA. Above whose flat is professor's friend. Who is professor's friend? IAS. Don't forget that. Professor's friend he mentioned. Who is professor's friend? IAS. Are you understanding everybody? So what we are supposed to do? Engineer is going up to meet MLA, but do you think above MLA you have professor? No. Below MLA you have professor. This is wrong. Following everybody? Yes or no? So professor has to go up to meet MLA. Wrong. Following everybody? Clear? One more question which is there on the screen now. What is this question which is there on the screen? You just try to check it out here. In this question, it has been told that 4 friends are there. Their name are Samir, John, Rajan, Nitin. What are names? Samir, John, Rajan, Nitin. They have got 4 professions: dancer, painter, singer, writer. 4 people have 4 professions. Do you think they have got 4 different cities? No. Are they staying in 4 different days? No. Are they working for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? No. So students, in this question which you can see on the screen, you have got only one parameter. Are you understanding how many parameters are there? Only one parameter is there. So we are supposed to find out how to do it. Okay. So here a couple of statements are given to you. Okay. And how to do it. So students, as I've already told you, whenever you have got one parameter, you are supposed to use what? Tabular. Remember that. Whenever you have got one parameter, you are supposed to use which method, students? Tabular method. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. But when you have many parameters, you have used what? Column. One parameter is there, tabular. Are you understanding everybody? So let's try to use it, everybody. Now, let me just try to solve it, everybody. Here. This is a table. I'm drawing a table. On one side, I'm writing the names of those people. You can check it out here. And one more side, I'm writing the what? Column. Above the table, we are writing the row. What we are writing? We are writing the professions. So remember tick cross concept I have told you in the beginning. Wherever you have one tick mark, cross the entire row. Whenever you have one tick mark, cross the entire row and cross the entire column. Let's try to see here the first point. Samir and Rajan are sitting in the audience just like you are sitting in front of me. Okay, Samir and Rajan are sitting in the audience when the singer is in the debut of the concert. So we can understand that Samir and Rajan are not singers. Samir and Rajan are not singers because they are sitting in the audience. Okay. So Samir and Rajan. Samir, you're not a singer. Rajan, you're not a singer. So students, I told you that method. I told you that method. What method? Tick cross method. So Samir and Rajan are not singers. The first point have been valid. Next one. John, Samir and writer. Students, this is very interesting. This is very interesting. Listen everybody, I'm drawing here. This is John. This is Samir. This is a writer. Students, he told you that John, Samir and writer. There itself you can identify that John and Samir are not writers. Are you understanding, everybody? This itself is sufficient. There are three different people, John, Samir and one more fellow is writer. So how can you think that John and Samir are writers? So John and Samir are not writers. Are you understanding, everybody? John and Samir are not writers. So when John and Samir are not writers, Samir, you are not writer, cross. John, you are not writer, cross. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Following? Let's sort of move forward now. John, Samir and writer have their paintings by a painter. So one more painter is there who is painting all these three people's painting. Chitra, you can understand. John, Samir and writer's painting is done by whom? A painter. So these three people are not even painters. Are you understanding, everybody? So John is not a painter and Samir is not a painter. Following, everybody? Like this we have solved this question. But you know that in this thing we have got tick cross. Following, everybody? Clear? So Samir is not a painter, Samir is not a writer, Samir is not a singer. So what is this Samir? Dancer. At least one should be tick in the box. If this is tick, cross the entire column that I have told you, because Samir is a dancer, no other else is a dancer. Now, here cross, here cross, here cross, but here should be tick. You know that. When here is tick, cross the entire column. So this is what the kind of way we are supposed to do it. Students, the last point, writer and Nitin. The third point, student, what is saying? Writer and Nitin. Writer and Nitin. Stop there only. Writer is one fellow, Nitin is one more fellow. When writer and Nitin is talking to you, so you can understand one thing, that Nitin is not a writer. Nitin, you are not a writer. Writer and Nitin both are different people. Nitin is not a writer. So what shall I tick here? I'll make a tick mark here. When I make a tick mark here, so cross here, tick here. So we have to understand that this is the way we are supposed. This is the tick here, this one parameter. So what did he ask you, students? What did he ask you? What did he ask you? Whose nickname was Maha? Sorry, not this question. Sorry. Okay. Students, we have to remove all that here. So what do you say? Samir is, I don't remember the question here. Here. What do you say here? Samir is dancer. The first question. Samir is dancer. We have understood that. We can write down here. Samir is dancer. And John is singer. John is singer. Rajan is writer. Rajan is writer. And Nitin is painter. Nitin is a painter. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? So let's sort of go back and just try to check out this question, everybody. What did it say in this question? What is the profession of a Samir? Students, tell me what's the profession of Samir? Profession of Samir, Samir. Let's sort of see the profession of Samir, students. Sorry. What is the profession of Samir? Students, tell me. Samir is what? Dancer. The first question is what? Dancer. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Next one. Students, next one. Oh, sorry for that. Who is a painter? Students, who is a painter? Who is a painter? Who is a painter? Who is a painter? Nitin is a painter. We can say Nitin is a painter. So answer is Agra and Bangalore. Are you understanding this today? With the help of this, we have done 3 models today. What is that? One column name is column. When to use column, students? You tell me when to use column when you have many parameters. When everything is in the options, you are supposed to use option, and we have got tabular. Are you understanding, everybody? Tomorrow we will spend a little bit of time to do few more models, and with the help of this we will be completing analytical part.